Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to add or remove shortcuts next to the power button in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click the Start menu and click on Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. Now go to Personalization, then scroll down and select the Start option. Next, click on Folders. You'll see a total of 9 icons that you can add to your Start menu. Toggle the switch for all the icons you want to add next to the power button. As soon as you toggle on the switch, new icons of the respective folders will appear next to your power button menu. To remove the folders, just toggle off the switch. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.